Hey, my friends, Brian Perisho here, and I just want to cover a couple of things that I've been thinking about this past week. I was on a webinar that just kind of really just punched me right in the face and reaffirmed. So, quick backstory. I'm 54 years old. I'm eligible to retire from the fire department, and I got to stay another 4 years because I need to pay my house off. We do this thing called a drop, and we can get our pension ahead of time for those 4 years. And when you leave, it's inconsequential. But to pay my house off, I have to stay another 4 years. That puts me at 59 when I retire. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go in the fact that I love my job. It has been a great job. It is a great career. But I'm tired, and I don't recover like I used to. Doing 48-hour shifts or catching big fires, it's hard on the old body. It's a young person's sport for sure. So I'm sitting here kind of racking my brain, freaking out and wondering how can I retire and enjoy my pension and spend time with my family. Like just yesterday, my wife got the opportunity to leave with my son and daughter-in-law and our two grandkids on a pop-up trip to Florida. And I couldn't go because I had commitments at work, doing some interviews for an inside positions. I'm on the interview board on Thursday and Friday, and I have a shift day on Wednesday. So I couldn't go. I couldn't walk away from that commitment. But if I wasn't working anymore, I could have gone at a drop of a hat. No problem. Oh, yeah. Yeah, babe, you want to go? Let's go. Let's go. Let's jump in the car and let's go with the grandkids. So what can we do to get around that problem? What can we do if you are in the exact same situation that you're ready to retire, you'd like to retire, love my job, still put in 100% effort when I'm at work, I always will, but I just would like to be ready to be retired. My parents retired at like 53 to 55 and would like to retire, but you don't have enough money. Well, listen, I started looking at digital marketing. And thank goodness, because I actually see a light at the end of the tunnel. I'm sure there are many people that will find this that are struggling to make ends meet. They're struggling to put the groceries on the table. They're struggling to be able to go on a vacation because they don't have any extra money. Listen, there is a way around that, and you can learn how to earn digital money online daily. What would $500 extra a day do for you? What if you couldn't do that? What if you just couldn't focus, couldn't get that figured out in the next 6 months? What would 500 extra a week do for you? I mean, that alone is 2,000 extra dollars a month. That's huge for many people. I don't know about you. That'd definitely pay all my, mortgage payments and then some. Pay the car payment if you had one of those. So let's talk about exactly how you can get started in digital marketing. This world out here is crazy. We are in the e-learning niche. I just heard the other day that in 2019, $900 million a year was spent in e-learning. This past year, $1.2 billion a day is being spent. What? That's crazy. It's because people are choosing not to go to college and spend the money on huge things like that, and they're looking to get online education, e-learning at the touch of a fingertip. So many of these programs are housed or hosted on a server where you log in and can get to the information. And also there's webinars and updated information on a regular basis with what I do. So let's talk a little bit about digital marketing. Got some notes over here so I can go through. I've got 7 steps, and then I'm going to talk about the power of one at the end. So number 1, you have got to get the education to learn digital marketing and get the skills. There is so many places that you could just search day on day upon day online looking for stuff, but do you know if it's outdated? Most of it probably is. And number 2, is it legitimate training? No, probably not. I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. So you got to invest in yourself. We have a course, A to Z, nuts to bolts, covers everything about digital marketing. How to actually start your own digital business if you want to start making your own products. Or you can learn exactly how to resell other products. Here's an example of reselling other products. So, my phone right here, it's with Verizon, but Verizon didn't make my phone. Do you know how Verizon makes money? They resell this phone service to you. They resell the service. They're reselling something else. They didn't have to invent the phone. Someone else invented it. So the product that I'm using here is a digital marketing course. Like I said, A to Z, nuts to bolts, teaches you everything you need to know about digital marketing, and you get full master resale rights with that. That means when someone purchases this, and my product is $497, one time, no administration fee, no monthly fees, none of that garbage. When someone purchases that, you make 100% commission. So that's step number one. Step number two, pick your niche. Well, you can probably figure out what my niche is just from what I started talking about as soon as the video started. I'm here helping people that are struggling to figure out how to retire in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years, and showing them exactly how they can earn extra income to supplement their current income with digital marketing. But you could make your niche in anything. There are many people that do motivational things, recipes, prepping, but my niche is helping others who are struggling, because that's where I'm at. It's the same place. So, you find what your niche is going to be, and you focus on that, and you go after your ideal person that is looking for exactly what you have. Number 3, decide what you want to sell. Now, I talked about those different niches there, but for my niche, I'm selling a product that teaches people how to answer their problems with digital marketing. Learn how to do what I'm doing. Make easy videos like this where I just look one-on-one, me to you, staring right at the camera and talking about exactly what our product does and how it can help you. Super simple, super easy. Guess where I learned this? I learned it in the course. Crazy, isn't it? Yes, the course teaches you all of this. Number 4, you got to set up automation. Set up your 24/7, 365 automation. We call it the money getting system. So I'm going to put this video up on TikTok, and what will happen is every time someone searches the words that I use or the topic that I talk about in here, they're going to find my video. And when they find the video, they're going to get the content from me, the information. That's automation. That automatically does that for me. And then if somebody looks at my video and then decides to go elsewhere or leaves for another day and comes back and they're looking for the same kind of content, YouTube, the algorithm, pushes out more videos like this from me to put that in front of other people, or put that back in front of the person that came to look at what I had to offer. That's automation. Also, I have a sales website that captures your email, sends you follow-up emails, automation, and it also then gives you information on that website, videos that tell you exactly what our product offers and shows you exactly what our product offers. It can do that now. It can do it at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm asleep. When I'm at the firehouse, I don't have to worry about doing any of that because the automation does it for me. And I don't ever really talk to anybody on the phone when they want more information, because they go to my website and get more information, or my content, like what I'm making right here now, actually gives them the answers to the questions that they have about the opportunity. So it's automated. So we give this to you for free. We give you a sales page with sales letters, follow-up email, all of that stuff, show you exactly how to set up your free system that will actually capture the emails and will actually capture the sales for you and put that money directly into your account. So automation, you got to do that. That was number 4. Number 5, you got to choose your social media platform that you want to market on. So as you can see, I'm heavy on YouTube. What I like about YouTube is that video is up there forever, always working for me when people are looking for answers that I'm answering right here in this video. YouTube will push that out to them and put that in front of them on their For You stuff. All right, number 6, you got to create content and get discovered daily. So I don't make daily content on YouTube. I make about 2 videos a week is what I typically do. I do throw some other content up there. You can do just like static screens and written information on there. You can also do shorts. But typically what I do is I upload 2 well thought out videos just like this per week for people to be able to find exactly what I'm doing. I also sometimes repurpose some things on TikTok and places like that. But when you get started, you want to choose one platform to go with first. And I really do like YouTube. And then number 7, you got to serve and sell your product. I mean, we are in the business of making money online. We're doing that to make money online. However, if that's your focus, you're not going to make money online. You need to focus on serving others, helping others find the answers to the questions that they have. For example, hey, I'm Brian. I need more money at retirement. I can't retire right now. If I had the money, I could retire right now and be in Florida with my wife, my kids, and my grandkids. How do I get more money? Well, digital marketing, and this is what I'm explaining right here. All right, now let's cover the power of one. This is what I really want you to focus on. Whether you start business with me or someone else, it's the power of one. One niche. Don't get yourself spread out all over the place. One niche. You pick one niche that you want to focus in, and mine is helping people learn how to make extra money in digital marketing. Number 2, one product. Don't have 15 different things that you're promoting. There's so many people that have stand stores that have 50 things on their website or 10 things. People just can get confused. I have one product. A to Z, nuts to bolts, teaches digital marketing. $497. You can get that information and get the details on exactly what this product does for you by going to my website, 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏.com. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏.com. That's the automation right there. You got to have one system. Set up your system, your automated system, which we teach you, and like I said, give you the free system to be able to capture your leads, be able to follow up with your leads with email, and be able to have the sales page and the sales videos and capture the sale for you and put that money into your bank account. So one system, one platform. Like I said, I focus on YouTube. You may want to focus on TikTok. You may want to focus on Instagram or Pinterest, but pick one until you become efficient at one, and then you can expand from there. And you need to commit for 1 year. I have had shiny object syndrome in the past. I have chased my tail all over the place. I've bought courses here and products there and didn't focus and did not give myself 1 year. Come join me, run with me, make today your very first day of this year, and let's explode this business for you. So let me cover those one more time. The power of one. One niche, one product, one system, one platform, and 1 year. Are you ready to get started in digital marketing? Do you want to know exactly how to make money every day? Would you like to make $500 a day? It can happen. There are people doing it every day. I'm not there yet, but it is sure nice to be able to get those checks deposited, or cash actually deposited directly into your account. Listen, go to my website, 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏.com, and for 2024, if you get in now, you'll get full access to our training mentor hub, which is an extra bonus that my mentor contributes to on a regular basis. You also get some one-on-one contact with me. So are you ready to get started? You know where to go. The link is below. Also, I've given it to you a couple times in here. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏.com. I look forward to seeing you online. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put those in the comments, and I will answer those comments for you with a video. All right. Have a great day.